I can't believe it's finally over. Hello beautiful peacocks, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special video. I was waiting a long time for this. It's a room makeover and I can't wait to show you the results. So without further ado, let's go. This is my art room before. After we finished the floor and the shelves, I went to IKEA to buy some extra stuff. So now I'm gonna go down to find some frames to put my pictures and my artwork inside. I would like to be like a Victorian style or something like this. Okay, I think maybe 6 or 4, it's gonna be nice. I don't know. Let's get those and let's continue. Oh, that's heavy. I finished with my shopping. I managed to find some things of my list, not all of them. I couldn't find curtains and some pillows because they didn't have the color that I want. I don't know, we're gonna see. It's kind of success and a fail at the same time. So yeah, let's go home, guys. Okay, let's start with this area of this room. Here is my small workbench and above it I have put a big shelf so that I can put my magazines and my books. I bought those from IKEA. I don't remember how much. So I'm gonna put my magazines inside. Before we continue, I have to show you something. I went to the bookstore and when I was looking around to find some cool stuff like envelopes and some cool pens and pencils, I found this set. Look at how sparkly they are. I'm guilty because I bought the whole set. Oh my god. Okay, never mind. Ignore it. It was a little bit expensive, but anyway, this is so good. So last year my mom bought me this envelope. I filled it already with fashion sketches. I will show you them one day, but this is not the day today because we have other stuff to do. And this is Holo mini sketchbook. It has a feather peacock on it. I mean, come on guys. And I want to show you one more thing. This is a gift for my beloved sister. It's handmade. She bought me a small black sketchbook so I can fill it with my ideas. And this is one of the best gifts that I received from my sister. This is beautiful. This is handmade. My sister painted this. I mean, my sister is better painter than me. I love it. Thank you, sister, very much for this gift. It's a treasure for me. Yeah, thank you so much. So, one more thing. I have so many stuff to show you. Ooh, okay. This one, look at that. This is an album that my mom bought me 2 months ago. 3 months ago? I don't remember exactly. but she told me to fill this with all my sewing projects. I'm so happy that she gave this to me, and thank you, Mom. Thank you. I'm gonna show you the best way to store your patterns that you want to use again. So I bought some envelopes. These are good for coats and dresses, some smaller. Here, I want to show you what it's saying. You just sketch what is inside, and you put it inside and you close it and you just store it. So I put everything other places, and now I'm gonna continue to another section of my room. So now I'm gonna walk to this area right here. I already put my marks when I want my frames to be. Bear with me. I have this empty wall right here, and I wanted to make it like, you know, when you have these pictures of dark academia, an organized mess with frames and pictures and paintings. I want to recreate that here, but not dark academia theme, because it's not matches so much with my aesthetic, but with a fashion sketches. I just printed some and I'm gonna put it on the wall. But first, let me show you what frames I bought from IKEA. So the next thing that we have is to fix this big shelf right here, and after that I'm gonna organize my fabrics underneath. So guys, before we see the final result, I want to say something. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting me, my channel and my Instagram account. And for those that don't know, I have a TikTok account, so feel free to follow me there. So without further ado, let's see the final result. Stay tuned, because beautiful things are gonna come to this channel. Believe me. Bye bye, peacocks.